Bella. Bella. That's Bentley. Bella. 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 Don't snort at me. Bella. Bella. Hello. That's Bentley. 1.5 years old. Bella's 8. Bentley's 1.5. Bentley. What? Who's a beagle? Bentley. That's a beagle? Yeah. Is it pup? Yeah. There's a pup? Yeah. This is them. This is them in this action. You don't care. In the trampoline. Bella. It's my cousin. Yo, come, bro. It's my cousin. Yo. B-dog. B-dog to him. That's Chloe. Hello. Anthony. Bruh. B-dog. And oh, okay. Hey. 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 What are you doing? Do you want a Mario? No, we can't see him. Yo. Oh my god. Yo. B-dog on him. He wants B-dog. Hey, give him like. If you do it too. Hi, Bella. Hi, Bella. 1 million? We're gonna show you his golden play button. Right down.
Were you trying to say better?
Wait, I gotta say something, Brian. Brian.
Good.
Brian, come over there.
Yeah, this is the dogs. Bentley's a beagle, mixed with a lab.
Puppy.
Bentley's a pug. Pug. Pug.
Brian. Wait, Brian, how many?
1.5. No, him.
No, her.
No, him.
And her.
Oh,
I
8.
forgot her dog name.
And
Her dog name is Mia. I forgot. Her dog name is
Can I
Mia.
ride your bike?
Sure. Bentley.
Yo, we gotta collect the
Bentley. Bentley, give me a paw. Give me a paw. No, don't lick my hand. Yeah, he'll lick you forever. So.
Don't. Brian, you're doing this.
Okay, he left me alone this time,
Hey,
but.
golden play button. Brian, you doing this to get a golden play button?
Bentley. Come on.
Yo,
Back.
let me do it.
Your back doesn't hurt.
Bruh.
No.
No. Shut up, bruh.
Jess, you want to ride?
Anthony,
you want to ride?
Nah. It's the good right up, boy.
No, look, you could stand on the back peg. You want this?
Bella kicking grass all over the
You want
place.
to stand on the back peg? I'll drive.
Hold her.
Only for a little bit.
Bentley.
Hold her.
Bentley.
Hold her.
Hello. Hello.
Hold her.
Okay, yeah, guys, this is the video for the day, and yeah, we're gonna be doing another one soon.
Stay B-dog and keep him
And yeah,
1 million.
so yeah,
1 million. Get him 5 million.
we're gonna be doing an RC car video today, and yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy.